You got to get it right this time. Hi, everybody. So today we're going to be talking about the arteries of the leg and the foot and the ankle. So let's go ahead and get started. And if you recall in the last video, we said that you have the popliteal artery at the knee. So here's my popliteal artery. And then what's going to happen is after the popliteal artery, it's going to descend and it's going to go through a muscle that we call the popliteal muscle. When this gets to the inferior end of this popliteal muscle, what's going to happen is this is going to bifurcate. So I'm just going to draw a little bit of it right here, even though this is no longer the popliteal artery. It's going to bifurcate. So it's going to become the anterior tibia artery. Okay, so there's my anterior tibia artery. And then what's going to happen is this is going to supply blood to the front of the leg. Now I make it look like it's going off to the side. It's actually coming right down the front of the leg. And then what's going to happen is it's going to get to the ankle, and it's going to be called the dorsalis pedis artery. And then what's going to happen here is that we're on the top of the foot now. This is going to come around, and it's going to come lateral. And this right here is going to be called the arcuate artery. So there's our arcuate artery. And then the arcuate artery is going to meet up, and it's going to become the lateral tarsal artery. Okay, so it's going to become the lateral tarsal artery. Then coming off the arcuate, I am going to have what we call dorsal metatarsal arteries. Okay, this is the medial side. So this is going to be my big toe, and then you're going to have something called the deep plantar artery that's going to come off of here, and we're going to talk about that in a little bit. Okay. Now, depending on the source, I've seen it say there's 4, and I've seen it say there's 5 metatarsal arteries, so I'm just going with 4. These are going to be between my metatarsal bones, and then they're actually going to basically bifurcate and go between the toes and supply blood to the toes. So that's going to be the anterior, or that's going to be on that side, right? And again, this is anterior. So then on the opposite side of this bifurcation, what's going to happen is we are going to have something called the tibiofibular trunk. Okay, so this is going to be my tibiofibular trunk, and then we're going to have branches coming off of this. So one of the branches that come off is going to become the fibular artery. Okay, that's going to be the fibular artery. Now, the fibular artery is going to supply blood to the back of the leg, and especially the lateral leg. And then it's going to descend down. It's going to supply blood to the lateral ankle, and then it's going to supply blood to the lateral side of the foot. It's actually going to go to calcaneus and supply blood to the calcaneus. The other part coming off of here is going to be my posterior tibia artery. So it's going to be my posterior tibia artery. And then what it's going to do is it's going to come down, and it's going to have a medial, what we call the medial plantar artery is going to be right here. And then we're also going to have a lateral plantar artery. And then these two plantar arteries are going to come together, and they're going to form what we call the plantar arch. So this is going to be the plantar arch. And again, now this is on the bottom of the foot. This was the top of the foot. This is the bottom of the foot. Okay, so that's the plantar arch. And then I'm going to have my plantar metatarsal artery. So let's go like this. And then what's going to happen is I'm going to have my plantar metatarsal arteries are going to be these right here. Okay, and if you recall, we talked about this deep plantar artery right here. It's actually going to come in right here on the medial side, and it's going to join this arch right there. Okay, so that's it for the arteries of the leg and the foot. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and we will catch you next time. I'm going to leave this up here for just a minute so you can take a look at it.